which determined the amount of the decline. For some time, stocks have been rising at rather rapid rates. Corporate earnings have not been rising. Dividends have not been increasing, and it's not to be unexpected that perhaps
who were not the smartest, sometimes not even the most diligent, but they are learning machines. They go to bed every night a little wiser than they were when they got up. And
invest as much in myself as you can. I mean, you're your own biggest asset by far. I mean, you've got all kinds of potential. All the people in this room, you're lucky to be in this country, gotten a good education, but most people go through life using up a very, very small part of their potential. And so anything you do that invests in yourself, that's the best investment.
Hey there, winners. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the topic of self-investment. You might be wondering, what does it mean to invest in yourself? Well, it's all about taking deliberate actions to improve your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Are you ready to unlock your full potential? When you think about investing, do you immediately think of Warren Buffett? He's not only a seasoned market investor, but also someone who invests in himself to grow. The first step towards investing in yourself is to define your goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it mastering a new skill, improving your health and fitness, or perhaps starting a new business? Take some time to reflect on your aspirations and write them down. Remember, clarity is key.
Buffett had this thing of like a list, like a prioritization list. And the basic idea is like write down 20 things that are important to you, like the 20 priorities for your life. Cross 10 of them off the list. You're left with 10 things that really, really matter. Then cross 7 off the list, and you're left with the 3 things that truly, truly matter. And if anything comes up that is something that's not on those 3, you just say no. It gives you like a very easy way to cut through the noise around things. And it sounds crazy and draconian, but it really does work.
Warren Buffett's 5/25th rule is a simple principle he advises for personal and career success. It involves the following steps. 1. List your top 25 goals. Begin by making a list of 25 goals or things you want to achieve in your life. These can be related to your career, personal life, or any other aspect of your future. 2. Prioritize your top 5 goals. Once you've listed your 25 goals, prioritize and select the top 5 that are most important to you. These should be the goals that you are most committed to achieving. 3. Focus on the top 5. Now, the crucial part is to concentrate all your energy, time, and efforts on those top 5 goals. Give them your full attention and work relentlessly towards accomplishing them. 4. Avoid the bottom 20. The remaining 20 goals on your list are the ones you should avoid or at least minimize your focus on. These are the goals that can distract you from your top priorities and spread your efforts too thin. Warren Buffett's 5/25th rule emphasizes the importance of focus and prioritization. By concentrating on your top 5 goals and minimizing distractions from the other 20, you increase your chances of achieving significant success in the areas that matter most to you. It's a strategy aimed at helping you avoid being overwhelmed and scattered in your pursuits.
So, but the habits you develop, and I go back, the other thing is have the right heroes. I mean, I've always been lucky in that respect. And if the people you look up to are going to form your vision of what the world, how you want to be in later life. And I'll give you 2.
Create an action plan. Break down your big goal into smaller, manageable tasks. Set deadlines and create a schedule to hold yourself accountable. Remember, consistency is the secret sauce to success.
people rise in life who were not the smartest, sometimes not even the most diligent, but they are learning machines. They go to bed every night a little wiser than they were when they got up. And boy, does that habit help, particularly when you have a long run ahead of you.
Investing in yourself often includes expanding your knowledge and skills. Seek out opportunities for personal growth, such as online courses, workshops, or even reading books in your desired field. Remember, knowledge is power.
So, but the habits you develop, and I go back, the other thing is have the right heroes. I mean, I've always been lucky in that respect. And if the people you look up to are going to form your vision of what the world, how you want to be in later life. And I'll give you two pieces of advice.
They say you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with positive, motivated individuals who inspire and challenge you to be your best self. Join communities or attend networking events related to your interests. Investing in yourself also means taking care of your well-being. Prioritize self-care activities like exercise, meditation, and sufficient sleep. Remember, self-care is not selfish, it's necessary for your overall growth and happiness. We all have self-limiting beliefs that hold us back from reaching our full potential. It's time to challenge those beliefs and replace them with empowering thoughts. Surround yourself with positive affirmations and practice self-love. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to.